Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You start now by making sure both devices share the same Wi-Fi. This is essential because Anyview Cast uses local network discovery. Once connected, enable Anyview Cast on the Sharp TV. This turns the TV into a receiver and broadcasts its presence. Make sure your TV firmware and iPhone iOS are up to date to avoid protocol mismatches. If you're ready, keep the TV on the Anyview Cast screen and unlock your iPhone so you can move to the next connection steps. On your iPhone, swipe to open Control Center and tap Screen Mirroring. You'll see the Sharp TV listed once the TV is advertising. Select it, and when a PIN appears on the TV, type it on your iPhone to pair. This secures the link. Make sure you grant any audio or screen permissions so sound routes to the TV. Once connected, adjust orientation and app volume. If performance lags, close heavy apps or other AirPlay targets to free bandwidth. When you're done, stop mirroring from Control Center or turn off the TV. This cleanly releases the session. To improve picture and sound, move both devices closer to the router or use 5 GHz Wi-Fi. Reducing the iPhone screen brightness or app resolution can also lower network load. If you can't connect, restart the TV and iPhone and re-enable Anyview Cast. This often clears discovery or handshake failures. If issues persist, check for...
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.